We're back at Disneyland. What's up, you guys?
Yay, we're back.
The sun is out.
Yay.
Cruising down Main Street.
Yeah, we got to give you a weekly update. We have to check out what's going on here at the parks.
And speaking of updates, the first one I'm going to give you is, I don't know if you guys have heard the debacle that is what's happening at the Mickey and Friends security. I think it's happening at all the security points.
Yeah.
But they've added kind of an archaic layer. All I'm going to say is it takes a lot longer. It was 18 minutes the last time we went, 15 minutes this time.
And we've had a lot of people send us messages that it's been taking them between 20 and 45 minutes for some people.
Yeah, so that was how we started the day.
Yes, prepare and bring your patience is all we can tell you.
Looks like we have massive groups here today. We're in that time of like end of school year, right?
Yeah, there's Grad Nites happening, and there's performances from schools, so
right.
You're going to definitely see a lot of those, so be aware.
These are not people who just happen to all wear the same color t-shirt walking in the exact same place, no. So a lot of you were expressing your gratitude about the Doug bucket being featured in our video. There's another spot that it's available. Somebody had seen the New Orleans Square portion and saw it in the background and came the next day and got the bucket. So it was kind of they were like, you're helping me in ways you don't even realize. So we'll try to keep showing you that stuff. I didn't realize they were selling out. I thought they had an abundance, but I guess, Disneyland #1 streetcar right there.
And that's Oliver, the horse.
Oh, Oliver. We love all of our horses here at Disneyland, but we love him a lot.
Oliver.
Sleeping Beauty's Castle. Hello. All right, very popular today. Yes, making a left on Matterhorn Avenue, and
It's the way to go.
yeah.
Wow, the swan topiaries are looking good, huh?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Oh yeah, a couple of trains going through. Uh-oh, there's the blue group. We can pass them, I think, Katie. They're studying the map right now. We have a chance to beat them to Matterhorn. They're getting a tutorial about
Genie Plus.
Genie Plus, yeah. There she is. We're gonna check standby and see. Ooh, I don't know. 30 minutes according to the castle. I don't know.
And single rider is like a walk-on right now.
Yeah, we should just do single.
Yeah.
Single rider it is. We've been given special access today with a little ticket here. All travelers will be separated and assigned separate bobsleds. Look at this dog.
Oh my.
She has goggles on too. I never realized that the single rider logo, the S, has a 1 in it. Look at it. S1. All right, I'm next. Sometimes you can link up with your partner in single rider. Sometimes you can't. Hopefully they're just, back to back. But I lucked out and got row number 4, which is the front of a car. Boom. Stoked. All right, let's Matterhorn.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
Our weekly checkup with Monstro. Not a dental checkup, but just a checkup. There's a duck that is playing with fire. Look at him.
He doesn't even realize.
He's just tempting fate. Look at.
Duck, you're crazy.
You're technically on his tongue right now, dude. All right, Fantasyland proper.
Oh, Bert and Mary are on the merry-go-round.
Oh, so what you're saying is the Bert and merry-go-round. Yes. Oh, Sleeping Beauty's castle. The backside of castle. We're gonna go this way though.
Yes, we are, because we got to get some lunch.
Bippity boppity.
Bippity boppity lunch.
Bippity boppity brunch. They should have a bippity boppity brunch.
They actually should. That would be kind of cool. I'd pay for that.
You could have it right over here.
Yeah. What if it was like tea and stuff?
I mean,
ooh, that's a pretty view.
Yeah, it could be like, you know,
like a tea party.
Yeah, biscuits and
little sandwiches.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be fun. I know they have something similar at the Grand with the princesses.
Yeah.
But I still like the bippity boppity.
Did they take another tree out right here? I don't know. Baby duck.
Aw, by
cruising.
himself.
He's brave. He's going towards the fountain. Oh, fly in.
Was that Mom? Oh, there's another baby.
Ah, look at him. Learning the ropes.
Aww.
Yeah, because you can see this section way better. This used to be all covered. And I don't know if it was just a tree that they trimmed back or they pulled a tree out, but making our way around Fantasy Fair, there's a show going on right now.
Where was this close to getting away? Belle! Say you'll marry me.
He's like, Belle, say you'll marry me. Like he goes from like the high tone to...
Hey, they keep it entertaining.
Yep. As we pass by Pin Table Alley, the Adventureland cut or the Frontierland cut, depends on...
We actually took a really nice route, in my opinion. It was a scenic route and a beautiful one at that. Yeah, you can tell that like we're getting closer to summer and stuff because simply my stomach is telling me, oh, you're really craving the Dole Whips.
Oh, yeah.
Every time I'm here now, I crave a Dole Whip when the weather gets warm.
That is not bizarre. So far, it's not really that crowded. It's nice. I mean, it is early, relatively speaking. But there's space, you know, especially in Adventureland. You can really get a read for how things are.
Yeah, I feel like it'll definitely be busy soon.
Yeah.
But as of right now, it's quite manageable.
It is.
All right, we got Bengal barbecue. We have a chicken skewer in the Polynesian sauce. I never really get it, and I decided let's do it today. We're also going to be splitting the vegetable skewer. We really love this, although I still say I miss the potato that came on it. And we each got one of the bacon-wrapped asparagus skewers with all the lemon because that is literally one of the best things. And we had to get some pineapple. I will now lemon the skewer. It's so good. Like, you and I don't eat a lot. Like, we're not like the biggest like meat or bacon people most of the time. But
True.
This is so good because of the lemon on it. We just drown it in lemon. So good.
All right, Construction Land, as it's been dubbed by guests and cast members.
Wow, it's pretty empty back here.
It's kind of mellow. It's like, you know, when Splash was down, it would be like this back there. It's the same thing with this because you can't get to the train.
Right.
So there's no reason to be over here, really.
Yeah, other than like Harbor Galley.
It's just transit, you know.
Yeah, it's really just Harbor Galley, Hungry Bear.
Yeah.
And then the pathway to go through to Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah.
Really? That's pretty crazy when you think about it. It's so quiet. It's eerily quiet.
Spookily.
Yeah.
Quiet over there.
Like, that's what's creepy.
All right, it's Tiana's Splashy Bayou Adventure. That's what I'm calling it now because I'm just mixing up the name. Looks like they don't work on Sundays, which is awesome. They're taking the Sabbath off. And yeah, it looks good.
The Critter Country sign is still there.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, it is cute. It would be nice if they left it.
Check out the catwalk, Katie. Up on the catwalk, on the catwalk.
How fun would that be to walk up on that?
Yeah.
I would have so much fun.
I
don't
do
know
my
why.
little dance on the catwalk. All right,
well,
Pet Cemetery, soon to be Haunted Mansion gift shop area.
Oh yeah, you can see the building down there now. That's cool.
Or is that
maybe
just
that was already there?
Yeah, that was I think that was part of the existing.
Oh.
All right, we're on the Galaxy's Edge Trail, the Hungry Bear.
It is really tranquil.
The Galaxy Bear Trail?
Yeah. Have you noticed though, like, since all those attractions are down, it's just really like tranquil and peaceful back here.
Construction land,
Yeah.
especially on a Sunday when there's literally,
Yeah.
you don't hear any of the grinding of the saws or anything. Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of nice though. I mean, especially with how beautiful the scenery is, especially back here.
Yeah.
It's another level of pretty.
All right, the bear is on his seasonal reach for some honey.
Hey, I heard they have a s'mores funnel cake.
Really?
Yeah, I think they're just not open yet. Otherwise, I was thinking about trying it. But that's something we'll have to put on our list and maybe give it a try.
I'm always down for some more funnel cake. We're entering Galaxy's Edge, and I feel like they've increased the volume of this
Music?
of the music. Yeah, the ambient. I never know which way to say that word, but you can definitely hear it louder,
Yeah,
which is good.
it's
'cause
good. It's a little more immersive.
You got to do something because there's literally nothing here.
Yeah.
You know. Hey, look who made it all the way out to Galaxy's Edge.
It's a duckle.
A duckle.
Instead of a couple, they're a duckle.
You guys having a good vacation out here?
Hey guys.
All right.
Aw, they like eating the off-planet offerings.
Yeah, yeah. They should really put more benches over here, and I think they have been. It's good to see that because it's kind of what the highlight of this area is. That it's kind of
It
chill.
really is. I swear Galaxy's Edge for me is all about the plants, and I know that's a very unpopular thing, but
You're all about the Galaxy's Hedge.
I am. It's just the plant life is the things that they put are so exotic and pretty. Like, I think that's what I find myself enjoying the most here, you know?
And then you've got the opposite with the marketplace.
See, look at how pretty that looks. Boy, so you can tell it's not too crowded here.
No.
Like, as we're going through the park, we're getting these, like, gaps like this that are quite substantially, like,
Yeah.
you know, empty, right? Not mad at it. Before summer officially kicks off, because when that does,
Yeah.
oh boy.
And it's nice when it's not sunny out here. Like, it's
Yeah.
sunny, but it's not like,
It's not full blown,
yeah, it's
like,
partly cloudy, which is super nice.
it's kind of like here in Toontown seem to get especially hot.
Yeah. Hey, Katie, did you hear that they have real blue milk now at the store?
Oh, I heard that. Is it flavored? Has anybody tried it? If you have, please comment below.
I know. I was thinking we should grab some and bring it here and then compare it to that blue milk. And
I've heard people were doing that.
I'm sure it's better here.
Yeah, the one here is really good. I'm a fan of blue milk.
Check out the blooms on these.
Aren't
They're
they gorgeous?
pretty amazing.
See, I feel like I call it Galaxy's Edge Nature Walk.
Yeah.
You know? It's like you came to like a beautiful garden.
It's weird. You hear that sound of that one creature that Obi-Wan rides, right?
Oh yeah, that's what it is. The like lizard looking thing.
Yeah. It sounds like an Ikron too, though, from
It does, yeah, like
from that movie, Avatar. It's called Avatar. That's the movie name,
Avatar.
right? Yeah. Pandora's the place. You know, do you think it's going to be in Tomorrowland, or do you think it's going to be out in the parking lot over on the
Oh
other
man.
side?
Oh, you're saying like a whole new plot?
Yeah, I think they're going to take Tomorrowland. I honestly do.
Wow. Yeah, I do too.
That's my
It's
guess.
just controversial enough.
I haven't heard any. Like I said, I've said this before, but I don't really watch any Disney content aside from ours. I have to watch it because I edit it. But I don't know if that rumor is around or not. But that's my guess, and I'm just gonna, you know, it'd be like a bet that you make on a team for the end of the year, like you make like a Super Bowl bet or something, right? So I'm gonna throw like $100 on that.
It does kind of make sense because they already have like Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, so it would make sense to like end that there so you can push all the Star Wars back there.
The other thing, say that they're going to do an Avatar thing here at Disneyland at D23 this year, and they don't say anything about Tomorrowland. People are going to go nuts. They're going to be like, okay, but
Where?
what about Tomorrowland? Like, you keep
Right.
avoiding the inevitable. Like, you have to fix this.
Right.
What if that's the combo?
Could
you know?
be.
Just because the flowers look so good, we're going to jump up to
You
KCJR.
have to, one of my favorites.
Dumbo topiary. Got a little spider web on there we need to take care of. Sorry, Dumbo. Somebody get a broom. By the way, look at the red trees against the green ones over there. That's so cool.
Also, you know why there's jasmine here? Because of Princess Jasmine.
Oh, yeah.
And it smells so good right now.
Oh yeah, you can smell it strong. We have the pleasure of having jasmine at the house. And
Yes, we have a
smells
lot.
Amazing because it's blooming right now. Oh, all aboard, here we go. Let's go, Casey.
It's the end of the
Lion. Don't you wish you could just grab a churro right here, like throw them $1 real quick?
Oh, yeah.
Well, not $1, $8.
I'm kind of craving a churro. Oh, look at how pretty all the
Wow.
purple.
Purple garden here.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And again, I'll ask the question, why does the sword and stone not work anymore? Why?
I know.
Ah, partner statue. Look at this. Purple.
I love
They're
all
like
the
wildflowers,
purple.
you know?
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
I haven't ever seen it, at least in a while, with like all one color,
Yeah.
but I really like the purple.
Yeah, Daisy. Well, that was a lot of fun. We wanted to do more attractions, but it was starting to get a little crowded.
It was, yeah. I thought it was going to kind of stay the way it was most of the morning. Most of the morning was quite pleasant, even though I'm pretty sure tonight was a grad night.
Yeah, but I think that's why. So the logic we think, I don't know if this is true, but we noticed a lot of the grads coming in a little bit later, like 11. You know,
Yeah.
they sleep in. They're up late.
Which,
so,
I always thought they got here like really early, but there were some that were here early. So who knows? We're just taking a shot in the dark here.
either way, it was a nice morning. I'll tell you, it was super mellow.
Very pleasant.
And I'm almost noticing a hidden Mickey in those trees over there. You see that? Yeah, right there as the monorail goes through. Big Mickey ears. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up. Thank you to our Patreons. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.